least I don't see any twisters out there. Huh? What's wrong? Oh no! Oh, we have to get back to the house.
Em, look! Look out there!
Oh no, a twister! And Dorothy's all alone!
We've got to head back home. Here!
It's coming this way fast. The storm cellar. We have to get into the storm cellar, Toto. Come on.
Oh, Henry, it's headed straight for us!
He cleared away.
It's turning towards the farmhouse!
Oh, it's coming straight for us. Toto, come on here, boy. We haven't got much time, Toto. Oh. Come on, boy, where are you? Toto! There you are. Toto! Toto, come out! I got you, boy! Oh, my! Toto, we're flying! What's going on? Toto! Hang on! Gotcha! We're safe now, Toto, but who knows where we're going to end up, huh, boy?
The howling winds sweep Dorothy farther and farther from her Kansas home until the farmhouse is hurtling through space towards parts unknown.